Tired of leaving money on the table? Let's unlock your income tax refund and get you back what you deserve. First, let's see if you're even eligible generally. If you've had taxes withheld from your income throughout the year, and your total tax liability is less than what you paid, you're likely in the running. Common reasons include overpayment, claiming deductions, or tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit. Next, gather your documents. This is crucial. You'll need your W-2 forms from your employer, 1099 forms if you're self-employed or received other income, receipts for any deductions you plan to claim, think charitable donations or medical expenses, and of course, social security numbers for everyone you're including on your return. Now for the filing process, you have a few options. You can use tax preparation software, hire a tax professional, or file directly through the IRS website if you're using software. It will guide you through each step. Be sure to accurately enter all your information from those documents we just gathered. Once you've filed, you'll want to track your refund. The IRS provides a handy "Where's My Refund" tool on their website and app. You'll need your social security number, filing status, and the exact refund amount you're expecting. Typically, refunds are issued within 21 days of filing. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to receiving your income tax refund promptly. Don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips. #IncomeTaxRefund, #TaxClaim.